Ragisar. Welcome back to my channel BSM Learning Classes. Today topic is very interesting. In today's session we will discuss about very good and interesting questions of logarithm function part 3. So watch the video till the end and don't skip. If you guys enjoy this video, like this video, share this video and don't forget to subscribe. But as you know, before I start my class, I always have to recall all the previous topic. What we have learned in previous class. In the previous class, we are discussing logarithm function part 2. From that topic, we have derived the formula. We have just seen that previous video. So if you learn the concept, that topic, just go to the description box and click the link. Now started logarithm function part 3. logarithm function यूज करके डेरिवेटिव कैसे करते हैं. So discuss part 3 part. For students who think that they will not be able to solve mathematics question or math is difficult, I will first give all the easy questions and then we will move towards the difficult questions. I will not give you difficult questions directly, so there is no need to be afraid of maths. Now स्टूडेंट लॉगरिथम फंक्शन पार्ट 3. पार्ट 3 में एनसीईआरटी एक्सरसाइज 5.5 सारे क्वेश्चन मैं कर रहा हूँ, इसलिए थोड़ा ध्यान से देखिए. पहला क्वेश्चन है y cos x into cos 2x into cos 3x means ln both side using ln और logarithm function. So cos x cos 2x cos 3x means a b c means ln using then ln a plus ln b plus ln c. So now put logarithm function both sides. So ln y equal to ln cos x cos 2x into cos 3x and ln cos x plus ln cos 2x plus ln cos 3x. Then differentiating both sides, differentiating d ln y by dy into dy by dx d ln cos x plus ln cos 2x plus ln cos 3x. Then separate 1 by y dy by dx. Then separate ln cos x 2 function. So d ln cos x by d cos x means 2 function, like logarithm function, like trigonometric function, logarithm function, like trigonometric function. So first function derivative, then second function as usual behave like x. So second function behaves like x. Then first function cos, then repeat second function. So second function I remember cos x. So d cos x into d cos x by dx. Then d ln cos 2x. 3 function आ रही है, एक ln function, दूसरा 2 cos, तीसरा 2x. So इसलिए ln पहला cos 2x constant, then पहला डेरिवेटिव ln, then ln cot cos 2x, then cos cot 2x into d 2x by dx plus then similarly d ln cos 3x by d cos 3x, then d cos 3x by d 3x, then d 3x by dx. So final answer dy by dx equal to y ln cos x means ln x का डेरिवेटिव 1 by x. So 1 by cos x, then cos x का माइनस साइन x, cos इसलिए c इसलिए माइनस साइन x plus 1 by cos 2x, then cos 2x means sin 2x into 2 plus 1 by cos 3x minus sin 3x into 3. So final answer dy by dx equal to y कितना है cos x, put y का वैल्यू then minus sin x by cos x, so minus tan x, then minus sin x by cos 2x, minus sin 2x by cos 2x means minus tan 2x, 2, so minus 2 tan 2x, then similarly minus 3 tan 3x. Then second question similarly, y to the power log x, x to the log x to the power cos x. So y इक्वल टू log x to the power cos x का सोल्यूशन क्या होगी, थोड़ा सोच लो क्या होगा इसका आंसर. y इक्वल टू log x to the power cos x, then both side using logarithm function, similar function, so both side using logarithm function, then ln y, then cos x, ln a to the power b. So ln a to the power b का फॉर्मूला है, ln a to the power b का फॉर्मूला b ln a, so यहाँ पर b ln a, then cos x log x, then derivative both sides, so d ln y by dy into dy by dx, then u into b d cos x log x, then cos x log x means log x constant, so log x, then d cos x means b constant, u का derivative plus u constant, b का derivative, u cos x, b log x, so log x constant, cos x का derivative, cos x means u plus cos x constant, log x means b का derivative. Then final answer 1 by y into dy by dx, then equal to log x minus sin x, cos इसलिए minus sin x plus cos x into cos log x means 1 by x, so 1 by x, then dy by dx equal to y log x minus sin into sin x plus cos x by x, so y log x to the power x, y का वैल्यू log x to the power x, so log x to the power cos x, then liquid minus log x into sin x plus cos x by x. Final answer dy by dx log x to the power cos x minus log x into sin x plus cos x by x. Then now discuss third number question. Y equal to x to the power x minus 2 sin x to the power sin x means two functions separate है, इसलिए u consider two variable, यहाँ पर u variable, b variable और यहाँ पर b और u, और जो भी variable लेना है ले लो, कोई दिक्कत नहीं. y equal to x to the power x, so y equal to x to the power x minus, then y equal to u minus b, so dy by dx कितना होगी, du by dx minus dv by dx, then u x to the power x, then both side using logarithm function, so ln u equal to ln x to the power x means x ln x, so differentiating both side, then d ln u by du into du by dx, then dx ln x means u into b constant, u का derivative, u constant, b का derivative, so ln x constant, u का derivative dx by, then u constant means x constant, b का derivative means ln x का derivative, then ln x dx by dx 1 plus x into 1 by x, so x got, then final ln x plus 1, so final formula final answer du by dx 1 by u into du by dx, so u, then u का वैल्यू x to the power x, so u du by dx u x to the power x ln x plus 1. Then second function, then repeat second function क्या है, 2 to the power sin x, so similarly v equal to 2 to the power sin x, then ln b, both side using logarithm function, ln b, ln 2 sin x means ln a to the power b ln a, then both side using derivative or differentiating, then u into b means u constant, v का derivative, और v constant, u का derivative, so v constant, b constant means ln2 constant, then u का derivative d sin x by dx plus sin x constant, then d ln2 by dx, ln2 constant, so d constant by dx 0, so ln2 constant, so 0, यहाँ पर 0, then 1 by v, so final formula dv by, final answer dv by dx v ln2 sin x cos x plus 0 because sin x into 0, so sin x into 0 0. Then b finally 2 sin x, then ln 2 cos x. So final answer. Then put dy by dx minus dv by dx. So x to the power x ln x plus 1 minus 2 sin x ln 2 into cos x. Then discuss 4 number question. 4 number question steps सेम. 3rd नंबर क्वेश्चन में जो स्टेप था 4 नंबर क्वेश्चन में वही स्टेप है. सो थोड़ा देख लो 4 नंबर क्वेश्चन. वीडियो अच्छा लगे तो शेयर सब्सक्राइब जरूर करना. log x to the power x plus x to the power log x. Then put similarly two function are separate. So u consider u variable, consider v variable और जो भी variable consider करना है कर लो, कोई दिक्कत नहीं. So y equal to then y equal to u plus b, then dy by dx, then du by dx plus dv by dx, then y u log x to the power x. So using logarithm function both side logarithm function use, then ln u ln log x to the power x. So ln a to the power b, ln a to the power b means b ln a. So x ln log x. Then both side derivative, then d ln u by dx equal to x log ln x. कंफ्यूज मत होना. x एक फंक्शन है, ln log x एक फंक्शन है, इसलिए d by dx. Then one by u du by dx equal to x constant x u ln log x v, then dx by x plus x constant d ln log x by d log x means हमको 2 logarithm function use. So ln log x means ln derivative, then second function constant. First function ln function, second function logarithm function log x. So for 2 function, first function derivative, second function constant, then first function cot, then second function repeat. First function cot means ln cot, then d log x into d log x by dx. Then ln log x into 1 plus x 1 by log x means ln x का फॉर्मूला क्या है 1 by x. So ln log x यहाँ पर क्या है x, as usual we have like x. So ln x means 1 by x. So 1 by log x into log x का फॉर्मूला 1 by x. So यहाँ पर x cot. Then final answer du by dx equal to u ln log x plus 1 by log x. Then u का u फंक्शन कितना है, u फंक्शन log x to the power x. So log x to the power x, put log x to the power x, then this function repeat ln log x 1 by log x. So u फंक्शन कितना है, du by dx equal to log x to the power x ln log x plus 1 by log x. Then solve second function b. Then log x plus 1 by log x. Then b equal to x to the power log x. Then ln b ln x to the power log x. So ln b equal to log x into log x. So confuse मत होना. Then d ln b by dx, then differentiating both sides, d ln b by dx. So d ln log x by into log x by dx. Then u into b constant u का derivative plus u constant b का derivative. Then log ln x constant, then log x का derivative 1 by x plus log x constant, then into 1 by x. b ln x by x plus log x by x. Then x to the power b का वैल्यू कितना है, x to the power log x. So x to the power log x equal to 2 log x by x because ln x by x plus ln x by x. So 2 log x ln और log सिमिलर है, इसलिए 2 log x और 2 ln x जो भी लिखना है लिख लो, कोई दिक्कत नहीं. 2 log x by x. Then y dy by dx equal to du by dx plus dv by dx. Then dy by dx equal to du by dx plus dv by dx, du log x to the power x ln log x 1 by log x plus x to the power log x 2 log x by x. Then now discuss fifth number question. Fifth number question क्या है? y equal to sin x to the power x plus sin inverse root over x. Then u v, then two functions are separate, so u plus v, u variable consider sin x to the power x, v variable consider sin inverse root over x, so y equal to u plus v, then dy by dx equal to du by dx plus dv by dx, then u equal to sin x to the power x, then du by dx equal to ln u equal to ln sin x to the power x, means ln a to the power b, ln a to the power b equal to b ln a, so x ln sin x, then u into b, so ln u, then differentiating both sides, then d ln u du into du by dx, then d x into ln sin x by dx. So d ln u by du means 1 by u into du by dx equal to u into v constant u का derivative plus u constant v का derivative, so u v constant means ln sin x constant dx by dx plus x constant d ln sin x by d sin x into d sin x by dx. So du by dx equal to u ln sin x plus x into 1 by x sin x cos x. u कितना है? u इक्वल टू साइन एक्स टू द पावर एक्स, सो पुट u का वैल्यू then du by dx equal to x into cot x, then finally b equal to sin inverse root over x, then db by dx equal to d sin inverse root over x. यहाँ पर पावर फंक्शन ln फंक्शन यूज नहीं होगी बिकॉज यहाँ पर कोई भी पावर नहीं है, इसलिए साइन इनवर्स रूट ओवर एक्स डायरेक्ट d sin inverse root over x. We got sin inverse root over x using chain rule, so sin inverse root over x into d root over x, so d root over x by dx. Sin inverse 1 by 1 minus s square, so root over 1 minus s square means root over x का square root over x into 1 by 2 root over x. So put this formula, get the answer du by dx plus dv by dx ln sin x x cot x plus 1 by root over 1 minus x 1 by 2 root over x. So final answer, fifth question का final answer dy by dx equal to du by dx plus dv by dx. So sin x to the power x ln sin x plus x into cot x plus 1 by root over 1 minus x 1 by 2 root over x. So two question are homework. So घर में two question solve करो और comment section में comment करो इसका आंसर क्या होगी. Then इस क्वेश्चन को अच्छे से प्रैक्टिस कर लो. एनसीईआरटी का फिर 5.5 एक्सरसाइज में सारे क्वेश्चन है, क्वेश्चन को अच्छे से प्रैक्टिस कर लो. For today, this much only. The other part of this chapter uploaded soon. So to catch our new videos, subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified. Thank you and keep supporting us.